It's Dr. Chapman speaking. Dr. Caldwell told me that some are having difficulty finding a paper for the written assignment. So this is a screen capture video to show you how you might go about it. So you launch your browser of your choice, and then go to the library at Bunn. You see this button here, Research Tools. Click on Databases. Okay, so this is giving us databases or library tools within the MUN library. So go to Biology down here, Go. Okay, now these are the search tools that you can use. I'm going to go to the Web of Science Core Collection, and that's because I've been using the Web of Science since I was a grad student, so it's most familiar to me. But Scopus, ProQuest, Central, Biological Abstracts, all appropriate. So here I'll click on Web of Science Core Collection, and I get this search window. So I'm just going to leave it on topic, and I'm going to type in plain English search for a new frog species. So I'll say new frog species. And the reason I did this is that I'm going to pretend that I'm interested in frogs, and I just want to find out what's been published in the last year. Now, to restrict the search before I click search here, I'm going to search only between 2017 and 2018. So it should give me only publications in the last calendar year, which is part of the assignment. Okay, now I'll search. And I'm confronted by one page of hits. There are 19 more pages. But let's just look at the titles. Amphibious muliensis. So N period SP means new species, but it's a nematoda. It's a nematode, and I was looking for frogs. So it's a parasite of a frog, but I'm not interested. But you could use that paper. Let's see, underestimating Anurian radiation. So 5 new species, and within the amphibia. So that could be interesting. But I do know from my own experience that Zoological Journal of the Linnean Society, it's more difficult to get the PDF that I want. So I'm going to keep looking. Okay, here, a new species of rana. So that's a good sign. That's one of the true frogs from the Dabi Mountains in eastern China, Anura ranidae. So that's the family of true frogs, and Anura is an order within the amphibia. So this will fit. I can look at more about this, so I can click on the paper, and I can read a bit about it. So there's a new species. This one here, Rana dabi-shanensis, species new, is described for the Dabi Mountains in Anhui Province, China. And it's based on morphological character differences. Good. That's one of the questions in the assignment. And molecular analysis. So that would be the full answer to how was this species described or discovered. The new species can be distinguished from others in the area by a combination of diagnostic characters, and those are being described in this paper. So this looks like a good one. So I want to have a PDF or a copy of it, and here I have some options. Get, at memorial, free full text from publisher, look up full text. So I'll just go with this button here, get at memorial. Here is the list of options I have for finding the full text. So I'm just going to go to the first one, open access journal, so that's good. All right, now I can read the paper here, and I can download a PDF up here. I'm going to click on PDF. It'll go to my download box. Once it's there, it shows up. Okay, a new species of rana. So now I can use this as submit for my assignment, either through Dropbox. I can read it on any device I want. Here are some of the details. I just thought I'd show you and it has some pictures that are quite nice in this paper. Let's see. There we go. It's a beautiful, beautiful frog. All right, so now I'm ready to go. And of course, you're welcome to use that paper if you want. Keep in mind that others are watching or listening to this video, and Perhaps you want to search for something that interests you more, whether that's lizards or birds or ferns or or some flowering plants. It's your choice, and have fun with the assignment.